You might like to use the layer facility to separate elements in the drawing. For the sake of argument, you might want to put the house footprint, the boundary and say the shed on a layer called, let's call it hardscape. To create a new layer, click on the layer stack, click this tool here, and currently the name of the layer is layer 1. Double click in there, backspace over it, and call this hardscape. There's a small trick here. You need to hit the enter key and then click OK. Now we should have a layer called hardscape. We do. See, it's grayed out, and that means nothing on that layer yet. Let's pick the boundaries. We'll zoom out a bit, click the boundaries, we'll select, in fact we'll select the steps and this little area in here, and I think we've got all of it. Maybe we can put the carport on that layer, the shed layer, and now come across here to the layer tab and pick hardscape, and I'll also change the color to by layer, so then whatever color we make that layer, the entities will change automatically. So I hope that helps show how to separate out a layer in a CAD drawing.